Polestar 2 is a new electric car that appears to be causing quite a stir in the automotive world. The Volvo offshoot's first all-electric model and the company's best bet for establishing itself as the go-to car maker for premium EVs, the problem is that there is already a go-to brand for electric cars, and it is called Tesla. Have you ever heard of it? Buckle up, because the electric driving range bar has just been raised. Hello and welcome back to another episode of EV Zone, where we keep you updated about the latest news in EV world. If you are new to this channel, hit the subscribe button and bell icon. Let's dig into the background of Polestar. Polestar was founded in 1996 under the name Flash Engineering. The company is well known for tuning Volvo vehicles and assisting them in touring car championship competitions. It has come a long way since then, and it now produces some of the most expensive and high-performance vehicles on the market. The first Polestar vehicle to be released was a hybrid. This new Polestar 2 is the world's first pure electric vehicle with 5 doors, 5 seats, and a long driving range. The Polestar 2, an excellent EV for the mass market, is the most recent. Polestar officials claim that this is the longest range of any Polestar, and Gregor Hembro, the head of Polestar's North American interests, promises that further range improvements are on the way. Other benefits, such as free OTA software downloads, are also expected with this groundbreaking Polestar 2 EV. Tesla, on the other hand, was founded in July 2003 by Martin Eberhard and Mark Tarpenning. The name of the company is a nod to inventor and electrical engineer Nikola Tesla. Elon Musk became the company's largest shareholder in February 2004, after investing $6.5 million. He has been CEO since 2008, has been relentlessly pursuing the electrification of all automobiles. The Model Y is one of the company's crown jewels. Even though Tesla has dominated the EV segment, Polestar 2 is the automaker's most recent entry into this competitive EV space. In terms of design, functionality, and dependability, the competition between these two manufacturers is fierce. However, we believe the Tesla Model Y outperforms the well-established Polestar 22, and here's why. Polestar 2 versus Tesla Model Y. The design. Polestar 2 is designed similarly to a traditional sedan and has an angular appearance. Thor's hammer-shaped LED DRLS up front is immediately recognizable as Volvo, and the top half of the headlamps are LED lights with a projector setup. Polestar has used intricate design details for the grille up front, which houses the 360-degree parking camera and radar sensors. Machine-cut alloy wheels are 20 inches in diameter and fill the wheel arches exceptionally well. With a length of 181.3 inches and a wheelbase of 107.7 inches, the proportions are reasonable and allow for plenty of passenger and cargo space. While the design of the Tesla Model Y is heavily inspired by its younger sibling, the Model 3. Compared to the 3, the Y is just bigger, wider, and taller, resulting in a very imposing stance. New Y is advanced with 2/3 of the body cast. This confirms Tesla is at least using front and rear casting for the new Model Y. The wheel size offered by Tesla is 19 inches on the base trim, while the performance trim gets 20 inches. The vehicle also has a sloping roofline that might infringe the rear passenger's headroom, but the 113.8-inch wheelbase should be more than generous. The car does get some signature Tesla design elements, such as the flush door handles and the iconic front end. Although Tesla has dominated the EV segment, Polestar 2 is the carmaker's most recent entry into this competitive EV space. The competition between these two manufacturers is fierce in terms of design, functionality, and dependability. However, we believe the Polestar 2 outperforms the established Tesla Model Y, and here's why. Battery and performance. The Polestar will be available with 2 powertrain options, one with a single motor and another with 2 motors. The single motor will be mounted on the front axles and will generate 231 horsepower. With this configuration, the car is expected to sprint from 0 to 60 mph in 6.8 seconds. The powerful dual-motor model has a motor on each axle and produces 476 HP. This setup is more powerful, allowing the vehicle to sprint from 0 to 60 in 4.1 seconds. These powertrains are both powered by a 75 kWh lithium-ion battery pack. Polestar claims that the vehicle has a range of 270 miles with a single motor and approximately 249 miles with 2 motors. On the other hand, the Tesla Model Y comes in 2 trim levels, long range and perform 283 horsepower. Even the standard long-range model can sprint from 0 to 60 in 4.4 seconds. The performance trim does it even faster in 3.6 seconds. This blistering performance comes with a larger 80.5 kWh lithium-ion battery pack, which also gives Model Y a longer range. The long-range model has a range of 330 miles on a single charge, while the performance model has a range of 303 miles. Tech and safety. The Polestar 2 has a 12.3-inch digital driver display as well as an 11.2-inch vertically mounted central touchscreen infotainment system. The ultra-sleek infotainment system runs the most recent version of Google's operating system. The Polestar 2 includes numerous driver assistance and safety features, such as autonomous emergency braking and a pedestrian detection system. The package also includes adaptive cruise control and blind spot monitoring. The Tesla Model Y, on the other hand, comes with a massive 15-inch central screen that houses all of the controls. The screen has controls for everything, such as mirror folding and climate control, to name a few. Its interface defaults to Netflix and YouTube and receives over-the-air updates. Tesla is well known for its self-driving technology. Many of these are standard features on the Model Y. Furthermore, the Model Y comes standard with lane departure warning, lane keeps assist, adaptive cruise control, and autonomous driving. Price factor. There are two Model Y trim levels to choose from, long range and performance. The base Model Y long range starts at $64,190 with destination, while the available performance trim starts at $69,190. Tesla's vehicles are no longer eligible for the federal tax credit. Depending on where you live, you may be able to take advantage of local and state incentives that could reduce the cost of the vehicle, such as the California Clean Fuel Reward. While the 2022 Polestar 2 starts at $45,900, which is low for the luxury electric car classes. Prices for fully electric vehicles in the segment start from around $40,000 to $100,000. The top-tier Polestar 2 starts at $49,900. There are also a few packages and standalone optional features that can raise the price of the car by thousands of dollars. Resale value. A Tesla Model Y will depreciate 39% after 5 years and have a 5-year resale value of $26,984. The chart below shows the expected depreciation for the next 10 years. These results are for vehicles in good condition, averaging 12,000 miles per year. It also assumes a selling price of $69,190 when new. The Polestar 2 has a starting price of about $47,200, considerably cheaper than its out-of-production sibling, the Polestar 1. In addition to cutting costs, the Polestar secured a spot-on Car on Wow's list of the 5 EVs that hold the most value. Specifically, the Polestar 2 depreciates by about 41.8%. Owner reviews. Tesla. Great daily driver, feels extremely safe and easy to control. Also has a great amount of cargo room and legroom for passenger comfort. The safety features are unmatched when compared to any other car. Polestar. A less expensive front-drive version with a longer range is also available. It takes over 10 hours to charge the battery from near empty. The Polestar is quick and handles nimbly, but the ride is very stiff and choppy. The interior is drab and suffers from a cramped driving position and a tight back seat. And according to Inside EVs, the 2022 Polestar 2 in all-wheel drive form with a 78 kilowatt-hour battery was recently subjected to the Moose test, but it failed to impress. The Polestar 2 is regarded as a driver's car with excellent handling characteristics. However, according to KM77.com, the car was able to complete the test at a maximum initial speed of 74 km per hour. At higher speeds, some understeer occurs, causing the car to collide with the cones. That's a little disappointing, given that both the Tesla Model 3 and Tesla Model Y can reach 83 km per hour in long-range AWD versions. The difference is nearly 10 km per hour, or more than 10%. Polestar 2, on the other hand, performed better in the slalom test. The car finished in 22.8 seconds, which is slightly faster than the Cupra-born 23.6 seconds or BMW i4 eDrive 40 24 seconds. Previous KM77.com Moose test results for reference initial speed. In the light of previously discussed points, it can be concluded that Tesla Model Y is the one to choose, as it has high brand value plus features that justify its cost and presence, although there is always room for more. So let's see where Tesla heads towards in the future in terms of innovation and customer satisfaction. If you like this video, please press the like button and share your opinion in the comments section about which car you think is better.